collect your thoughts. Palantir watches what you forgot. Drag the future into the now. Target lock, no sweat on the brow. Karp in the hoodie talks of restraint, but sells war tools dressed up as saints. Thiel funds the myth of sovereign AI, while Vance waves the flag and lies.
God mode, God code, watching every zip code. Truth, soul, blood, cold, empire and down low.
Elon in orbit, dreaming of Mars, feeding the grid with neural scars. Trump at the rally, laughs and roars, while Palantir knocks on refugee doors. We don't make weapons, it's a joke, just systems that died. Every drone strike spoke, they don't drop bombs, they drop the math and leave no trace on the aftermath.
Input behavior, output control. Who needs walls when you own the soul? God mode, kill switch, bias baked in every glitch. Truth banned, content gone, beat the beast until it's
Surveillance chic, democracy hacked, to test streams wide, to military tech, boardroom profits, empire disguise. Build the war, then monetize. Who decides who's real or threat? Algorithms bet, no human sweat. Palantir smiles in grayscale tone. The future scripted, line by drone.